I just when me see. The Cavaliers, them, I think, them people are more Jamaicanized than them people, you know. If me not wrong, me a guess from me head, you correct me if me wrong, I think the Cavaliers, them, the fact that them a black man, they look like them more Jamaicanized. And half I stay don't go there if you go see man they lose to Buck. If not even one I stay don't go there if you go see Jamaica. The man them a rejoice when the man, if you that rejoice right too when me don't know how me don't know if he say. Might as well me see why Bob Marley when he grab me every year. Everything does not make plain sense. Me see why everything does run and run. Me see why man Ibala with the 16 pan in foot. The M16 pan in foot. Say when in there Jamaican can't play football, but when in there foreign him a star. Me have to understand why when you Bailey, me have to understand when him said, I know me understand, come here, oh me you can't play football when they are yard. But when they are foreign they can't play football. I know me kinda understand what man I said, bro. Because it doesn't cheer when me soon not cheer though, that alone kills self-esteem. That alone kills self-esteem. That alone puts shame on our face. You know me used to play football. Me used to play football. When a man a mouth and cheer that alone kills self-esteem. That alone kills your self-esteem. That alone kills yourself. And that's play, do this here. You never the past stage, you go past stage and me see crowd turn up on your sticks so. Me as a DJ, when I see crowd turn up, and when we see crowd that jump, we feel like say, yo, yeah man, they like we. Just imagine when me and another man dey on the stage and the crowd that jump for him alone. Just imagine how me feel in my chest. I disappear more and disappear to bomb. Me don't know how not just this. Me don't know how to come from it. I me say, uno pussy. I wanna make Jamaica. I wanna make we have a side. I wanna make we have a run. I wanna make we have nothing a bumbo clot. The same Prime Minister, me no see him. Me no see my bumbo clot over look on cartel. Everybody had Prime Minister bless up. I'm mad from you. Me run if this bumbo clot there. Me sell out it. I can slice a grotto bread, man. Tell you that bumbo clot there. You think me an idiot? Me a bumbo clot idiot. You think me a bumbo clot idiot? Me say if you slice a grotto bread, me a sell you to. You think me am gonna sell me out before? You no support me, no see that. You know much football play. What do you hear me there about blood clot? Catching all this up. When reggae boys, anybody can go and see it. I'm a bumbo clot. Me do me bumbo clot video. Not talk about bumbo clot Shalom. Big bumbo clot. You can't talk to me, you know. You see me show the bumbo clot. See it here? Me a rep for reggae boys. Get on me reggae boy shirt them. I try fucking shirt them. Thin shirt them I send Kongi Shalom. You see me them big but them thin shirt them. Me a bad man now. I know me have them in there in a bag. I want me shirt there Shalom. Me find the blood clot when me a rep for reggae boys. Are we there? Umbrella, one umbrella sports. The boss call me. Me support the reggae boys. I mean, they know they now. They know so they workless right now. Me know so they workless right now. But me see why you not support you. Nobody you not support you no own. I wish Jamaica land. I'm going to bump buckle that shirt. You can't try to bump buckle that shirt. See it here? So before see shirt that when they said come give me. The one umbrella sportsman said me take. Me put them on and take picture. Like him take me for me now, you must be them shit in a blood. Have you send good shirt come with jersey number me name in the back of it. How the bum buckle that take Shalom for? You feel like me on Friday, Monday, or Friday, or Saturday. See it here, three of them I know me not even pull it. See that? Him print it. See that? See that? Sports Jamaica. And the shirt away I see right through. How me a black man, they think me a blood clot. How this? But me I show you, me support me bumbo clad cult, me support it, me support me Jamaican team. See the serious of them, I cheer them. I know me never be sitting there, see where they go. One good bumbo clad shirt, yeah, you done. I said my bumbo, I said, well, not a good shirt, you know, say go. I hit me, I tell you, I hit me a bumbo clad, tell you, I hit me, I tell you, support it, you know, support it, own. Not even good shirt. I hit me, I tell you, I say, man, out there in a Jamaican shirt. I clap the bump. I say, me know, so I no favorite ball. Everybody have a favorite. Bob Marley a favorite. I be a favoritism. 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 Me bumbo clad. Do not even like. Me say. Then the man they lose from before they even start. That's the way on not cheer. Messi! Me know, say everybody love Messi now, man. But come on, man. Remember, I said that match, it might tell you just only set it like how prank and like how we see them Kai then go play football and the man then just let them through, make them go score. I'm not kill him man their self-esteem, my lad. You must know them thing about my lad. I'm not kill him all of you their self-esteem and that they feel it. I want to look at be a black man, when I look out, I be a black man. Yeah, want that walk on. Be a black man, be a black ugly shine crocodile man. I cheer for you. Feed them baller. Come now, I say white man, kind of man a white man in my baller. We bumbo clad. Me say Prime Minister, me see Prime Minister clap. You know, love me no see Prime Minister go on. Man, hold. But anytime I've been there, I kept my own so bad. Today I done support. You did the national stadium, the national jersey. We not go nowhere. We not go ever go nowhere. Me not see no go. Me not see no push out. No time. So you know. Right now, I chuck me see man. I chuck over my fence. You know. And no police not there. You know when we have blood clot Freedom Street at 3 hours, we turn up all the find me and popcorn. And labas, and there are some big dad and some man with back, so them are going to lick with them, you know. I swear upon my life, you know. And Lichi Kochi, I saw my tallest man ching. You never come, you don't find any way in the tall. Tree all that big man, them out there, you know. I see man, me and man send by all them ticket and going free. And people have them ticket and couldn't go in. Now, what kind of bumbo clear shit in a plate business so that go out with their culture, my lad? They are catching already a stadium clean in Jamaica. Reggae boys not play down there, you know. I must see 32 people in the stadium, you know. And family members, you know. And catching all the reggae boys and try to score back to a goal and try. I'm glad me not no footballer, so me no feel no way, me not no baller, you know. Me not no baller, me wait to be baller for you can play ball. Same thing me wait for your artist, me wait, that's what me tell you, me not no favorite, you know. Me have me straight go with them, straight people them have me favorite, you know. Me glad me not no bumbo clad, me glad me not no. We have to go shipping with Aldo next. Cause me I tell you when I have to come here, R7. Cause problem now if you know me. When did Messi come score in I culture, you know? That will come like Messi a bigger one. No, remember say anything Jamaican say no, you know. I fuck with one now, you know. Cause right now, you know, we can't tell you, you know. You know, if you go make one match with Ronaldo soon. It as well, we don't support the big people. Nobody fuck off with Jamaica football. They're not going away. Might as well. If they now just fuck off the Jamaican team, we are working with the two teams there, sir. We are going to split the national team in a two. One side of it Messi, we don't care which side Messi play for. Any side Messi play for, and a side there, high level man squad, half high level man squad there so. The next high we Ronaldo the pan, and next Bumbleclat and Suarez. Anyway, we don't no team a Bumbleclat. No make no Bumbleclat sense. Any side with the Messi the pan, we are work with that. A long time it got sustainable, but we just are telling you. So we don't bother have this, we don't waste no time. I'm with tax money buying the football boots and get a free man and all this and do the bag of fuck with boy. How waste time, you know. Make a focus on the running. We feel like we get to runner. I don't think we're going to ever get no support for the football team. Shut up, you want Arizona. I don't think we'll get no support for the football team. I think so from 1998 we done with the football team. And then time the Messi and Ronaldo come out to the wicked, you know. Yo, that can't reverse again, man. You don't know this, man. Nobody that reverse, man. Just believe me, man. I could farm one other team. I could farm Jamaica national dance hall team. Because I feel like a dance hall is the only good thing we have left. I could farm in Jamaica bobsleigh get fuck. In Jamaica cricket West Indies. No, West Indies not when a long time in the table. One time when they turn on cricket, when they turn on the TV, cricket did not kill you. Now we can't tell when last Messi cricket on TV. We're Brian and I were there. We're shooting around Chandapa. But I want when I see alone a cricketer and a Chris Gale and a true superstar to musician and all of this. When they bobsleigh, they backweighted everything, God. And what we have now? Which national team we have? Oh, we have the Jamaica football team. A female. I must say that's why we feel like ball kicker. Khadija, that girl there. Marlon Samuels, an alcoholic producer, you know. The man they done the cricket long time. We're netball team there. We're tennis team there. We're there. When they name two somebody I fight netball team and two somebody I fight tennis team. Just two. Name two somebody like come here and say Kenny Shasha I fight football team, but I want somebody to know. Name two somebody I fight big shit in the play. I don't know Derek Morgan and Shibada and Jaden being fish tacker. I don't know nobody for the national team. We represent still and shit in the play. I don't know every fish tacker. Every band picture will leave Moon.com. Everything. I would not even know one netballer. We can't tell one cricketer other than for the long time one them. We don't know one I knew footballer them. Other than one them where whisper them when they buy out and go with them. No. With the big shit in their bum class. Yeah. We can't even want somebody. Yeah, you know, that one here, you know, you name Kenny Jaja. You know, you name two, me name me Bumbleclat, no. I see him to me, I say, possible. I want them aeroplanes and give it a I say to me, I say, oh no, no, but we are possible. I'm going to put up with the Jamaican people. Don't go put up with Jamaican people, them now, man. When there's a wall down, when there's a crab in a shit barrel, the Bumbleclat, you don't fuck up. Think about it. You don't know a good man then more than you know a Christian. You don't know a good man then like coach. You don't know how the president mask and mask. You don't know how workless pussy was sitting up late. Me I tell you, me see why culture said so. You don't know every fuckery. How that talk about me? At least me talk about them. And I'm moving possible. I don't know them neither. I'm not possible. It is a workless nation. It is a workless shit in a plate nation. It is a workless. You can't name two netball off of the netball team. Who can't name 2 cricketers that I have a cricket team. Who can't name 2 footballers. I want to put on a bomb and move your post. I want to post you all. Hey, I'm going to put on a crop for me. One thing, Chelly, change up that Chelly, man. Chelly, tell me something, man. You can't put on a crowd, man. I quit the crowd, that man, Chelly. You can't do that something. Thank you very much, Shelly. Have a nice day too. Thank you for that. But I rang something that I rang. I feminine girl that you put on the king and come here. Tell me now, I'm queen and the Princess Alexandra. It's a Princess Alexandra that on the internet with the call it. Shelly, man. Thank you very much, too, baby. I appreciate love it. What is that said? Profit a simple thing. Just get one our own footballer and paint him as a white boy. We have to dig up back white up like a pearl. And paint him in a white up like a pearl. White up like a boy. Me not think we are in mindset. Watch me now, bro, and not even we paint in a mindset I people, you know. Think about when me I say no man, slow it down, no man. Me love Messi as a great footballer. Me love Cristiano Ronaldo. All like great footballer, them, I see great things. Me love them. If you was to ask me who was the greatest footballer of all, of course, I would say Messi. My skillest, my fastest, and he deserve it. Maybe others would have said Cristiano Ronaldo, which is good because everybody have and we not debate that too, because probably we don't watch all the Ronaldo game them. Because you have some people who just focus on Messi and say Messi. And you have some people who focus on Ronaldo and watch Ronaldo. We don't watch all the Ronaldo. We mostly say Messi because he's skilled down, he want tough. Ronaldo skilled up. But Messi have one I don't know how much people know this. I have to try use something different. I know about ball. I don't know how much people ride bike and you can't fully master a bike. But you see when you have a skillness by your bike, it's like you synchronize with your bike. It's like a disc jock. Stupid, it's serato, it's synchronized. It's like, you know, anything where you do, you love it, and you kind of, you know, fully master it, you know, because you can't fully master it, you know. But you're synchronizing anything we are do. Yeah, bro. So you see, the ball come, it's like in just sometimes everyone there Messi know if you do before you even do it. But I just told you know, I just in sport. When I just skilled the ball, me say people watch Messi, people nobody know really if I just our man endure in thing and in skillness. Just like cartel, people follow him because in level words and still till you go find till you find somebody who, you know, I just see levels to it. You see me? To follow me reach out.